This website got over 1.7 million impressions in the AI search mode and the AI overview mode on Google. You can now actually track your AI search impressions on Google Search Console. You can see how your website is doing in terms of showing up on AI search and showing up on AI overview. So if you go over to learn more, we can actually see this new rollout and see exactly how it works. So we now have the generative AI performance report in our search console. So what's included is our AI overviews. So how many times your website is showing up in AI overviews and how many times your website is showing up in the AI search mode. As of now, we can see the pages, we can see the countries, devices, and your impressions per day. Now we don't have clicks, we just have impressions. But for now, this gives us a lot of great data that we can work with. But we can see for this client site that I've showed you many tutorials on this channel is doing extremely well in AI search. In the past 3 months, it's gotten over 1.7 million impressions. And if we scroll onto pages, we can actually take a look at the pages to see which pages are showing up more in AI search. We can then optimize those pages, or we can take what's working in those pages and apply it to our other pages. Now, a lot of you say that, SEO is dead, blogging is dead. But if we go ahead and we take a look at this report here, we can see that most of the AI search mode and AI overviews are from blog posts. So blog posts and blogging definitely still works in 2026 and beyond. You may not rank on Google, but you will show up in AI search. And this is the competitive advantage that you will have if you continue to focus on growing your SEO. So we can see here all of these blogs, these informational blogs, is what's showing up in AI search mode. And naturally, when someone sees something in AI search mode, of course, they're going to naturally go over to your website. So you can see also the countries. So you can see which countries were getting the most impressions from AI. And we can see again, United States, United Kingdom, really high quality audiences. And these are the audiences that buy things from your website. So we can see a bunch of other countries as well, but we're ranking the highest in the United States and the United Kingdom. We can also see our devices and our days. So if you actually go ahead and open up some of these articles here, we can take a look at it. And as you guys can tell, all of these articles were generated using my tool, WordRocket. Now, if you haven't used WordRocket before, it is the best SEO and geo optimized writer in the world, and you can see it by the stats, right? I'm not just saying this, it actually works. You guys see all the content here that I generated on this website. It follows a very similar pattern, right? These images, you can tell it's WordRocket. You can tell the key takeaways are from WordRocket. If we scroll down here, we can see the images there. These are all images from WordRocket. These are older posts, so we've actually gotten even better at writing SEO optimized content using WordRocket. As you can see here, this has a nice custom HTML embedded as well. So WordRocket definitely works. Blogging still works. And if you want to get ahead in 2026 and beyond and have a competitive advantage and show up in AI search, then I highly recommend you do research, you do your keyword research to find what people are searching up, and then you use a tool like WordRocket to write the actual content for you. And you rinse and repeat that. And as you can see for this website has over 600 blog posts. So it's not a small amount of blog posts that we generate. We generate a lot of blog posts on a month-to-month basis. But we can see here that blogging has paid off, and this website is reaping the benefit of getting a lot of impressions from AI search and ranking in AI search mode and AI overview. If we take a look at the Ahrefs data, we see as well that this website is ranking in AI search. So if you want to get similar results for your website, I definitely recommend using our tool WordRocket to write your content. If you want to see where you currently stand, just make sure you set up Google Search Console if you haven't before, and then head over to search results and then scroll down to generative AI, and you should be able to see some information. If you don't see information, then that just means that your website doesn't have enough rankings, because it is rolling out to bigger and bigger sites, and it will eventually be available for most sites. Hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. I've went ahead and created a skill which does an audit of your niche and your website and then gives you keywords that are AI search relevant, like fan out keywords that you can use to then write in WordRocket. So you can create a plan of writing on content to help you get more impressions in AI search and AI overview. So if you want to go ahead and get this skill, just comment generative below and I'll send it over to you.